My little boo, why can't you spit in out? My little boo, why can't you hear me out? My little boo, why can't you spit it out? Yeah, I know that you can help me without a doubt. Your little helper doesn't feel secure. Your little helper is very immature. Your little helper's not here now. Your little helper hates your guts. She does not hear your silent scream. She does not see your blind dream. Helper is not here. 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 Helper fly away. Helper is here to stay. Helper travels, that's what Helper does. Helper drives on and on and on and on and that's what Helper does. Little helper wants you to know that it's only just for show. Little helper but not really helpful, cause he only wants to see you fly away from your troubles and your worries from down below. Helper is here to stay. Helper will fly away. Helper travels, that's what Helper does. You've got to understand that he's not here to knock about with, and that's all done. You have no purpose in his life. No purpose in his life. Purpose in his life. No purpose in his life. Purpose in his life. No purpose in his life.